So today we're going to go over how to use an angle finder when you need to set torque specs and then do a degree rotation on a bolt. Every bolt that you do, you have to basically set up. Like I have to choose the correct size extensions so that this sits in the right spot so that I can get this over here and it can be in a locked in position to where I'm gonna actually, this rod won't just push out of the way and I won't be able to get an accurate reading on the angle. And that is how you use an angle attachment finder.